see S3 bucket creation from AWS console and also from Terraform also. Using Terraform script. So firstly, I logged in to the AWS console. This is my free tier account. You can see here I have remaining 158 credits, USD credits. So now let's just start creating an S3 bucket from the AWS console. So for this, we need to go to the S3 bucket service in AWS console, and you need to choose this general purpose bucket, because we just create a general purpose bucket for our normal use, for daily uses. So this general purpose bucket name should be globally unique, not regional, because creation of S3 bucket name should be unique. So when we just click the create bucket, it will ask for the general purpose. We need to choose general purpose or directory. So we need to give the bucket name. Let's just give like just 3 May. So if it's not unique, it will be an error, means you will get an error here. Please give an S3 bucket name as globally unique. So I also disabled the access controls and also blocked all public access. I will also show you what is this feature enables in this S3 bucket. And also bucket versioning also, it is disabled. I selected as disabled, and I'm just clicking the create bucket. And you can see my bucket got created successfully. And let's just upload a sample object here, means a sample file. Let's just click on upload and click on add files. And you can see here we have different files to upload in this S3 bucket. So let's just click upload one PNG file, an image, and we just click on upload. So it got uploaded. So let's just check. Yeah, this is my, let's click on buckets. This is my general purpose bucket, and in that bucket I have this project.png object, which is my local file that got uploaded into this S3 bucket. So this is how we create the S3 bucket and upload objects into it. And also we will discuss further in about these properties, means permissions, and also ACLs, means access control list, that we use for accessing the objects inside this S3 bucket. So we will discuss further in upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.